right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, can I do from issue of Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara aki? Ogechi Okeke Njaka, onye ohi azụrụ azụ na Chicago. Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara aki ịyọrọ biko ka o buru cartons of Zolo n'aka gị maka na mmanya na-achọ imebi emebi n'aka gị. Ị mara nke mara onye nna adịm etinye nọmba mmadụ ịkpọ mmadụ akpọ na m ka ọ dị ka nwere ndị m siri arenji ha kpọọ kọl adịm eme fake testifier ihe na-eme nke mbụ mwepụta chat egosi m unu mee play voice mwepụta chat egosi m unu mee play voice the same Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara aki Ogechi Okeke Njaka na a fight every possible means ka ọ tarnish the image of Akwa Ọkụkọ. Let me tell you the anger of Ogechi Okeke Njaka about Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara aki. Before Zolo bita apụta, na-ege m ntị, on nkọwacha this na my goes unu chat, then may play voice Ogechi Njaka. Before Kulele bita apụta, ana m amaka etiri Akụzayon mmanya na-akpọ Zolo bitters. Na-ege m ntị, pay attention. Don't insult anybody. Ana m amaka etiri Akụzayon mmanya na-akpọ Zolo bitters. Mgbe aha Kulele bitter ka nọ in process. Now, we may see due to asoye na amaka etiri mmadụ business, ana m find every possible means ka mfu na erepụrụ that mmanya aha. Mwe kpọọ Akụzayon ihe njide ekwu na-akpọ afa ọ bụ na Akụzayon tụrụ asị ya bịa duru iyi ma akpọ Akụzayon si ya biko sorry ebu ụzọ wee kpọọ Akwa Ọkụkọ wee sị Akwa biko na achọrọ m ka i patronize ya my business na-ege m ntị akwasị m ka business dị ebe a because na o nwebụ mmanya market last year ka note dị afa mmanya ọ bụ na unu na-efolo well last year before Akwa emepe hotel o nwere mmanya supply Akwa goro 1 point something million n'aka m. The same person that system ahụ ji wee market that man mmanya ahụ Akwa wee zụọ mmanya 1 million something red wine wee gba Akwa sị Akwa biko ya zụrụ mmanya na mmanya dị oke ọ sị nke mmanya dị ansị na Zolo bitters o wee sị m oke jee Jpac okwu anya ọnụ na ana m anụkwana mmanya Zolo bitters na mana ihe unu na-eme gasị a na-agbawa ụka na-asịrọ na achọkwara m ipatronize Akụzayon na ihe a bụkarị nke anyị ihe a bụ ihe Akwa replied m nwee sị Akwa biko zụrụ m mmanya ọbụgodo 20 cartons. Akwa wee ebe order 50 cartons of Zolo bitters. Na-ege m ntị, the anger of Ogechi Okeke Njaka against Akwa maka ndị na-ege ntị n'ife Ogechi na-akọ eri online. Akwa wee sị na mụ kpọọ Akụzayon na-ege m ntị ka ebutere Zolo bitter 50 cartons na hotel wee na ọba. Wee put o call to Akụzayon wee sị Akụzayon biko na Akwa chọrọ 50 cartons of gịnị Zolo bitters and Akwa na-patronize mmanya not minding na onye nwe mmanya bụ onye Zion ministry. Because one good thing about Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara aki na Akwa can never discriminate whether na ịbụ onye ọgọ mmụọ na ịbụ onye ụka. Ejukwu ya jụọ ga-asị gị na after all ndị na-patronize ya bụ ndị ụka mostly. O wee bịa wee sị m kpọọ Akụ nwee kpọọ Akụ wee sị m na mgbe aka ebe mbe post wee ọ bụ na mmadụ ya chọtara ụmụ chat ya na Jpac comedy emere m post na my page that na Akwa Ọkụkọ n'idiri mmanya we did that thing. Congratulations to Akwa for patronizing Zolo bitters, something like that. A post na Jpac comedy. Ma ọ bụrụ na ya achọta ọ bụrụ unu na-follow m unu ya ghọta that post. We made that post na Jpac comedy. So ozugbo Ogechi Okeke furu that post na my page pam Ogechi rush my inbox ozugbo ihe a bụ mụ na Ogechi adakpa na phone nwe ihe gbasara mụ na Ogechi na call. I don't call her for anything. Or once in a while ọ nakọta ọkpọ maka page na page na-eme mmebi ọ nakọta send gasịara m ụmụ ihe gbasara Mathias Ezeakụ mgbara eme ihe case ọ nakọta send ya ma ihe nke udele mostly ihe nke udele bụ mgbe ya mere chat well Obun get remember one post with congratulations na Akwa Ọkụkọ patronized Zolobita. Maka nke na-ekwu date na akpa. Now 50 cartons of Zolobitas. Akwa wee sisi butere 50 cartons. Onye wee rush my inbox ozugbo wee sị m Jpac biko na ma choki supply the man say yes. Ọsị m mba mụ hapụ Akụ Zion na-ege m ntị. Mụ hapụ Akụ Zion na nyanwe nwere mmanya nke ọ zụrụ n'aka Akụ Zion. Na mmanya ka a na-erebeghị ere. Mụ biko mụ ka o sendiara m nọmba onye a na-akpọ Sugar. Ka o sendiara nọmba onye a na-akpọ Sugar ka onye ahụ megịnị direct ya m ebe apakere Zolobita na Onitsha ka m buruzie megịnị gaba ọba. M wee kpọọ Akwa wee sị Akwa, are you ready to pay now? Ọ sị m yes. M wee kpọọ Ogechi. That was when I contacted Ogechi. Ogechi wee sendiara m this chat. That was on 21 April 2024. On 21 April, Guinea 2024. Biko ụmụ ibe, cool the dan good nene. Ọbụna nọmba m egosi no the guy ekwegwu n'eziokwu. N'ebe a wegotekwu elu. If rebel the rebel say mu, Sugar is the guy Sugar is the guy handling Anambra State. Contact him with this number. Neighbor. Sugar is the guy home. About this fake call. I'm not engaging anybody in any call. More personally, we face Ogechi and dismantle Ogechi comfortably. I don't need anybody's support. Neighbor. Sugar is the guy handling Anambra State. Contact him with this number or send your number. Then that time he will Ogechi will go to me when I get on to. Oh, they go to me way against Ndoka and we post about religion. However, put that must you will collect woto from me tomorrow. Ha! The Bible deliver. Now Nelson, you will collect woto from me tomorrow. No, put that in. Now, Kai, let me take you down. Let me take you down. Now, can play the voice of Ogechi. About an instruction. It's a broom maya and ake, we bujara Akwa. It's just a short, because now I when I be careful. It's just a short 18 seconds voice note. Because get into your former. Hey, sorry. I'm going to volume. I get into your former.
So you can contact the number Sugar. They want to cover it. So you should now patch on 50 cartons. So the guy will cover it.
Here na akpọrọ Jpac no na ịmara na mewepụ nchọ ọ bụ na onye ọbụla na-ekwu may play alone evidence. Ogechi mmanụ nwere ebe m na-discuss ihe ọ bụrụ adị m agba egbe ọnụ. Let Ogechi Okeke Njaka do what? Wete evidence. Or when I je na MTN I will take caller and you extract our call and you play online. Cool, can't you cheer? Manden because I have never recorded Ogechi and I have never recorded Akwa Zion. All this one now, in Njaka has sent them voice notes. Some of the voice notes are go lost in my file because I weigh him GM and when him future purpose he must say a war more anything. Ogechi, owebezie mbaz no ga agba m woto tomorrow. Oweru tomorrow of owe face him because o nwere ihe m posturu. Ogechi we bido gba m walls ozugbo. And mba e make go call ka e me gini ka Akwa Ọkụkọ zuo Zolobitas. My brother, obu na agụ chọrọ ị na-promote mmadụ ahịa. Ogechi si na agba akwa gị war at the same time. Will you be able to have mind to continue to market that, to supply that goods? Ogechi eluom war, bam woto, na ma withdraw. Okwabazie na phone na mu withdraw, say na man he jezi. I call Akwa. Akwa na akpọ na phone sim on how far. Nso Akwa nya hapụzie that thing. Because ọwụ onye ga-abụ ịpụta gba ya wall. Ya bịa supply kwa dị mmanya. Mgbe aka iwe na wee wezie m. Ndegode onye na-eme ka m help ka m se nri ahịa. Ịbịakwa n'elu na-agba m wall. Nwee gba akụza ya. Wee sị akụza ya. Kpọgodiri m Ogechi si ya call it order. Kedu ka gị na mmadụ ezi na-achọ na ọsị na ọkpa gị dị ka ọkpa anụ. Nya kpọọ ya na phone na-asị ya call it order. Ke nwere ihe mere o ji agbara m wall. No na mu mere post normally. Ogechi bido tabam ka ji gbabam war. In case if you are coming for the first time, please I want you to be sharing, share. Post that whenever you are going to come back deep about Ogechi father's burial. Can go to this thing. Oh shit. Alright, here. Sugar is the guy handling Anambra State. Contact him with this number. Never the shot ever. Never the shot here. Now for Ogechi, I want to go now for Ogechi. If you make deep in there, okay, Oborno, I don't have picture. Come on, Ogechi, sorry, menke or Pichiaka or I don't have picture fair. Never Ogechi Njaka because I blocked her. Never. Never can both for order mo. Both forward say the mo. In your basari with the forwarded. Let me replay the voice again.
I think the number I'm sent, all the boy now cover the whole Anambra State. So you can contact the number, sugar. They want to cover it. So you should now patch over 50 cartons. So the guy now cover it.
Let me block this easy. That shows he doesn't take rubbish from anybody. Easy, oh yeah, come on, get up on my page. I'll say so. After the guy, sugar. Now, let's go to the issue of Ogechi father. Number one, Ogechi does not value her father. Let's start from there. And when I want call up and I say, Jpac, why did you have to post Ogechi father on sick bed? Ogechi did not value her own father. Ogechi kpọrọ papa ya gaa ụlọ ikpe. Ogechi allegedly bo papa ebubo na papa rare. Ana m ekwu half and half. Ogechi si na papa sleep with nyanwa. Wee bo papa ebubo. A wee kpọrọ papa Ogechi wee jee ụlọ ikpe. Ogechi ana claim na papa na ofere n'anya jụọ Ogechi na o mere attend papa burial. Ogechi mere attend burial mpa gị. Ọ sị na ga drag my mother my mother anwụọna anọ na-ezuru ike n'aka nne nna. Ịghọtara mama nke gị gịnị na-abụ na-emekọ evil na America. Mama ga-anụrụ ya alụ anụrụ mama ga-alụ anụrụ mama Ogechi alụ. Mama Ogechi bụ side chick. Aga m post picture tomorrow. Mama Ogechi bụ side chick. Ogechi Okeke Njaka eji azịza wee zapụ Ogechi na mama na Osumenyi. Abụ m onye ụkpọ. Eji azịza wee zapụ Ogechi na mama na Osumenyi. That is why mgbe this ikwikwii na-alụ ekita nke a dịka domi na-alụ Ogechi now. Mgbe domi ya na-alụ Ogechi na bịara ebe ịlụ Ogechi emeghe ego Ogechi na Osumenyi. Emere ego Ogechi na Owerri na-egbu be mma ha na Owerri. Ogechi Okeke Njaka had 2 girls, 1 boy. 1 boy nke bụ diọkpara Ogechi ha gara je zuo ohi na World Bank Owerri. Ndị anti-robbery squad were egbe gbaa ya jaja. Agbagburu nwanne Ogechi wute egbe na Owerri na World Bank ebe o jere je zuo ohi. So ohi dị ha n'ọbara. Ka anyị bupụtezie profile Ogechi n'ozuzu oke. Please, I want you to come on cheer now. I am dismantling the lies of Ogechi Okeke. I am dismantling the lies of Ogechi Okeke. Ebom no suwe bia mma ata ka jiri. Ogechi abụrụ taa ka ọ sụbara mmadụ bụ homo. O brought that Ogechi na-ebo mmadụ ebubo. Ebubo ifuru oboro Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara aki. Akwa Ọkụkọ, come and enjoy this live video. Ka ịnụ ebe Ogechi boro papa ya ebubo na papa Ogechi sleep with nyawa. Ogechi Okeke Njaka boro papa ya bụ Timothy Okeke nke ọsị na mụ post rest in peace. You never see anything. Kita ka ma dog ma dobigi cable. Gị nwa bụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi boro papa ya ebubo. Ekpere ikpe a na Illinois court. Illinois, ndị bi America ya mebe na-akpọ Illinois court. Eji m court case Ogechi mgbe ekpere ikpe a. A wee kpechi ikpe a, Ogechi wee tụọ mpe nga. Papa ya wee serve jail for 3 years. Na-enwere ife o mere. Serve cha jail pụtazie na ebe obi na Florida. O wee bụ na Ogechi Okeke na mma a pick ya na property this man. Narie gba ọsọ. This man were the homeless. The cause of the death of Ogechi had no mercy for you. Ogechi, you Ibru Papagi, which apology? God punish you with that your apology. And go you way back, or where but where boy where war. It's not COVID-19. But that day Mpagi go Ogechi na fundraising. That was 2021. Ogechi we kwụrụ ọtọ wee gbuo mpe sị na Mpagi ya egbughị. That Mpagi ahụ egburu ya egbughị. Ka anyị bido with evidence ezi nwụrụ anwụ. Just cool only that. Achọrọ m ka people na-abata. Achọrọ m ka ihe a ebe play this scene. But are you homo? Mpagi bụ homo. Let me block you. Since you not eziokwu. Even when you are showing only Igbo truth. Bem. Even when you are showing only Igbo the truth. Oga say na oga believe ihe ezi ohia na-ekwu. I let us dismantle you. I want to bring out 2021 a cousin sister to Ogechi Okeke Njaka in Osumenyi. A cousin sister to Ogechi Okeke Njaka, but on a live video where Kowaro one in a twist where Aziza where Zapom Ogechi. That is why Timothy Okeke were low one also and all one ya low nanka. Timothy Okeke abazida luo nwanyị megini lue nanka. May the soul of Timothy Okeke rest in perfect peace. Rest in perfect peace. May the soul of rest in perfect peace. Let us just cool on it down. Just wire. Wait, let us start here.
Mr. Timothy, one of polygamous family, away for the people the Nora, and up Nora case, up Yakaro, HD Banara, Opamagi Gage the Rebana.
Against it.
Our late father, Dr. Timothy, divorce your mother. Thank you. Relax, Yama, don't send the party to look on over. You told them, Mama, you know, just woman, thank you. You know, the man, thank you, the man, Jabon. When I just got to go through in Spanish, the man which the Western Yaya. I'm here to Mamma. It's all noise, no, in the name. I'm feeling my bonus. All the things in the on the mother being in. Oh, no, one I would you million or I was okay. Gamma from your character. And I see them for Drake was in a project. You even more this.
2021 when Pay one of the year.
Public invention, public inca. This is all you go in public invention. All the things that happen when is no from a polygamous family. This one here was in a pussycat ages smooth, nobody cares. We are just mourning our father and our brother, Dr. Timothy. Dr. Timothy said, amen. Amen. Ogechi is denying this man when Gigi brought this man picture. Ogechi denying this man when the first news come. He denied this man. I remember vividly when I'm on a program. Say, I let Ogechi na Papa no Papa no be here. Why nobody knows is your father? You not care about it. But look at this case now. Because somebody now come on, I'm offering her a paper. Somebody was telling me, Ogechi, I got one number of sources of one in America. Ogechi, when the this man, which they don't talk Timothy, Ogechi, he contributes 80% to help that man. Am I here to high blood pressure? Am I here to depression? Am I here to keep to Njaka? That is so it can not. It's not the right time to get me. I when you have to do and then I know. On you know, so we're good. Papi, I'm okay, one day, when is that over? I will do a live program on Saturday. Where Papa
2021 when Pay one.
It's a way out. Don't be squid like they go get you a sushi. Now I'm going to bring her to Natobago. People won't give me a company have an eye by the Roma. The buy a Meluni, look at Marumbo and look at Samambo. Who you know, this man living good life. Good life. Look at the lazy one to look at the strong Christian. Look at the lazy one to everybody say no to a bad wife.
No to a bad wife.
A bad wife, because Ogechi would have also respect my man. Ogechi Poria. Ogechi Poria. Ogechi Opi Weki. I mean, Najugo. Who go dear? Can I be no one's in Ronuki now? It's so good. 5 million. Go dear. Hey, who go dear? Akwa Ọkụkọ flavor na Akwa Ọkụkọ ibe na Jpac. On a day, Wamara Basing Yadi. Go to your Asnal is your favorite man who don't forget it. Go to each one. If you will eat a word, the gun. What is it? Okay. And we have a Timothy Namaluki. I gave Boogie Rapis. I put mine, Comrie, and the broken man. I gave Boogie so
Legancy.
Epusonia, Apotena, Pusila, COVID-19.
2021. Onye sere that na Papa and na Jpac post Papa now from pen anya. Ogechi Okeke deliberately killed her own father. Yana mama na gente. Emecha e have caller from Osumenyi. Onye nke abu cousin immediate cousin sister Ogechi na Osumenyi na gente.
Onye agi na bi no no nya nwa nwa aka agi na bi no no. Why can't you go back to the
in our new stories. Now let me shock Ogechi. Ogechi, I dare you post your child online. Post your child online. Ogechi muru more imbe na gonu mmiri. That is why Ogechi can never say happy birthday to nwa or not possible. One time you can say happy birthday post to it because they can wear Ogechi na but you don't wear uzo 24 hours. The evil that men do live with them, not after them. No, can Ogechi sa go on mmiri. Where go on mmiri what you be there no.
COVID-19 is real. Polygamous family is real. Enu go nori. Onye jido akechibe. Onye jido cover. Ikwetela ina this man on this why. This man on a actually wasaga ni niwa. This man on a actually ni ime. Imana that first time I put this man on. Imana that thing if only obodo. That thing that only obodo anu. Oba Julia ba. Even Julie was asking me, I don't want to give out the full details. I
Because Amaka Francisca, because with due respect, allow me to follow this in the way I want to follow it. Whether I play 3 years ago voice note or I play 30 years ago voice note, it's none of your business. Ogechi claimed that now Jpac they are here because I'm supposed to prepare a when I wasn't the reason why me happy na mama yara to Ogechi, but again Ogechi Njaka we bumpe. I cannot beg a murderer. Ogechi, you're a fool. Get into because how about the distractors?
This lady the good is talking about me. Prominent person, dedicated, responsible that we follow you. Ask yourself a question. If from the Munyaha, Mamuno Pikubana, Mamunya cheap priest.
Share one of the video. I want to share now. Let blogger carry this news. Share. And I know 2021. Mbona yonde madego. 2021. Mbona yonde madego.
I saw that thing in Instagram yesterday when I was driving home. But I don't know that I copy good money. Ogechi Gechi mkwe mmadụ kwọrọ okwu ego. Ogechi atango na ibro mutu. I think we'll have to be. Enegi mego. Iputi ipo yoni na. Onya repuru onya. Onya aharu onya. Apada repis na Green Button Germany. No repu onya. Oya ki ipo your father. This is an allegation kill on this man.
Legacy.
And I know that they make one daughter is innocent.
Genti.
This man thank you that's why your father divorced your mom.
Genti.
This man okay, I watched your program yesterday. I just picked the point. If I will sign a Dr. Timothy, don't you know 10? Maybe I open a cocaine, you marry your stepmother.
Share. Just the share they go.
Stepmother, you will come and thunder, but we'll get back. Thunder shut out, thunder, but you're gone. The man they buy you away to the body into Unugano, Jetty, and you go on everything about the man. You got to check any no picture. Ever need no your own here. Oh, dear. If I want to stay homeless. Of course. Okay, excuse me, let me ask you people a question. Okay, she was my high school, remember? I'm in high school, my papa went to where they ever. You go now and tell me about also me about. Other than like you were all those things in one divorce for Mama. That time they made divorce now, Mama. Thank you. Thank you. Get the front of the no, not around me. Ask Laura. After I finish my high school, ever from video, come on, college. No, about that. I know take my mom never, my father never. I want to because this man, my own body or tofu. Oh, yeah, I'm too much in the mood. I can hear more than I got. I'm going to have a prior. When I'm a ticket, I won't give you take you what you do at the ever. I'm one of them. What did you go to the Jpac? You go to America,
now, is it a crime for Dr. Timothy to carry his wife and children via America can have a good life? The crime Dr. Timothy committed, useless Ogechi, na one day why? Na one day because that time one day we can have Ababugo one Ogechi na World Bank. Ogechi ohi dị Ogechi n'ọbara. Kemgbe ụwa ohi dị ya n'ọbara. Dị ụmụnne n'ọbara. Gaa na-egekwa ntị.
Ogechi nkịta ụtọ ndị ga-akwụkwụ ihe. Ogechi ka nwa gị sevu ego ahụ rezu ego ga-eji n'ugbo tie. Nwa na-agwa gị ihe ga-eji mebere ya ugo tie. Ụlọ ahụ nwunye ka ọ dị. Gbaa ụmụ akwụkwọ na ndị ego a ga-eji mebere ya ugo tie. Bikọs unu uri. Kedu nke mama gị kete ka eme divorce because onye papa gị nwere odosi ị na-ayọkwa ego anya karịa on my father have a lot of things mgbe divorce ke nke mama gị kete because mama gị ga-eketegori mbife ebido another marriage. The man nwere
make una dey share now. Share no video. Can the blogger buru video? Hey!
You know what it takes to someone to bring you here in abroad, to bring his family. I'm part of it. Like, oh, my daddy bring us here. I know what it takes. This man, let me hear you say that for people, this man. This man, no, you know. You know, like, if I don't, you know, Mama, get up, Papa, you can't get it. You know, Mama, get it. You know, that this man, when you own me. I get that.
Kaya na ako kasumihan. Kaya kwa ni honya na ako kasere for no reason.
The same thing with Ogechi. Because who is reasonable person against Ogechi? Ogechi si na ọ ga-adị na mma. Oya nka ị nene ka Ogechi. Biko ya ma ahụ.
Now, ka anyị gazie na nke nwanne Ogechi. Ka anyị gaa na nke nwanne Ogechi. Ka anyị gazie na nke nwanne Ogechi. Onye nke na-achị Igbo gwara bụ cousin sister nwanne Ogechi. Nya nwanne Ogechi ofu ọbara. Cousin sister Ogechi na-abịa ikwu okwu now. That was in 2021. A ga-esi ebe a wee na-dismantle Ogechi na-agbadata because Ogechi is a criminal. Ogechi bụ a born hardened criminal. Ka anyị bido from nwanne nke a bụ na Osumenyi. The caller is directly from Osumenyi and she will tell you that na abanishiri mama Ogechi, banish Ogechi, banish anything concerning the offspring of Mama Ogechi. I banish the Hanine. We say Hanine. They can never smell Osumenyi in their life. If them born Ogechi well, let her come back and enter a boss no onompe no Osumenyi. I get joke because ma ndo monna everybody gbakọtara aka we banish ye Mama Ogechi. Makana gini no na aragharị ọtụ the Europe and down with Ogechi. If Ogechi na arụ na America na mayo na arụ, Ogechi was a stripper. If mere Ogechi ji wee bo papa ebubo na papa sleep with onyanwa, but na papa Ogechi bụ a professor and ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ too much. Wee gwa nwa nwaanyị wee sị ya biko na ma like etu isi eje eme stripper club. No like etu o si eme stripper na America. Ogechi wee sodo mpe. Mama Ogechi wee sodo. Then about it's your like here stream my own videos. It's none of my business. As you are streaming it, people this message will touch at least 30% of your followers. They will know that they are a born criminal, a hardened criminal. I pity any ministry, but I do not any ministry of Ogechi, do not Ogechi akwụsịghị his support to any church. Okwesịkwụ his support to any dibia ma omenala. Ogechi nwa batara any ministry na ọ na support her. Just nyere m 1 good year or 1 year or 2 years. Ogechi will surely bring that church down. Kai J Gente.
That's link of GoFundMe. For those of you in America,
Just can we put there? Can we put there? Go to the place now.
let's go look at what
Because I downloaded the go to the bar. Now they share video. Share. Share video. Like and share.
whatsoever is standing, whatsoever obstacle that has come your way. But keep your good work. Because is you yeah. She's right. It's what? Okay, to say to ghost, you know. So, if that lady from Muslim may call, what she said is exactly what that property. So I get this here, because I get it out here, if you are alive,
I'm coming.
The reports and voice whatever they give is with the police in the word. So this is God bless you. So stop deceiving people, please. So thank you very much for helping. But I would like you to go to Akwa Ọkụkọ over there. And your parents go on. My father had a lot of things. When I divorced, because the money get the program because of the shame on a water to them. That's men. John Ogechi, where Imo State came Ogechi. The ceremony took place in Imo State. Pay their mother. Not Osumeni. Ogechi
Onye na-akpọ ife akata bụ cousin sister Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Make the nobody say no fabricated. That was on 2021. One name why no so many direct no monna. They denied and rejected Ogechi because of gene na ha committee ha na aro abomination. Listen.
Ogechi onye Anambra people. Ogechi onye Imo State. And Ogechi is a polygamous family. I'm not against take a responsibility of I don't mind against. But in that against Ogechi now Dr. Timothy and also many as a whole any day but which she made mention of over 20 years that she promised the father in burial. That means so more plan but Nigerian Ogechi. I'm on that one. More plan. But shame unto her that now us know the father. The father, my uncle being Dr. Timothy died last month. Yeah. Not last month, yeah. And that church would, because now before Mommy Shika were not a change over Christian, which he accepted. So that church on Ghana, who church in Ghana lawful. And there has been the one helping the family because the woman now her ways in the US or marry anybody. So all that church will family handling for now. Only made that church each need that GoFundMe. Please, let's so okay, she should be very, very careful. Because now a guy had a raise here, which I know that nobody is raising money for her. What does that $2,000 is for dear money? Okay, anybody that gives you money, now your father will okay, she really you will die. Because the money here now, she we have bagala. Okay, she has done. She's insane. Money her name. She always forget the things she said. You denied that man when the picture surfaced on internet. You denied him.
In Anwe.
Why Uncle Timothy?
Ogwa onye na-asị bika ihe bụ iwe mbụ na Jpac posturu picture papa m wee sị arrest in peace. Onye o dinaire na ndụ dinaye n'ọnwụ. Ogechi mpaga ahụ nwụrụ anwụ ya etigbu gị. Ọ ga-agbapụ gị ara. Ebe ilechara nwanne m nwoke anya bụ Timothy makwa ihe bụ dọkịta mmadụ inwe prọfesọ. Iwelesịa prọfesọ Timothy Okeke wee tụọ ya nga wee boo ebubo na ọ na-ara gị na ọ rara gị wee na-asị mmadụ na-amụcha nwa je yuzuo nwa ya. Iwee sị na Timothy Okeke sleep with you wee jee kpọọ polisi wee tụọ mpa gị nga. Ejoghịzi wee tụọ mpa gị nga oyi wee gbue oyi wee tụwue na prison. Ogechi, you can never have peace. He said, can I continue? Yeah, but cousin sister
did not grant your call when you wanted to call him. Chief pilot was he had to speak to the uncles at home. I said no, do not grant that call. With reason, now the person, lady in question, being chief pilot, they booked again on social media. Phone. On your mistake, you know, the man already granted your call. He granted that interview.
He did. He actually spoke to me for a while, but Ugochi could be opposing.
can I see you? Ambrose, I see you.
He shouldn't talk to me again. You know?
A matter of Ugochi has no access with that man. That is just the truth.
What was with the phone number? So Ugochi where is the number? He called the man.
Ogechi ga-anwụ na America.
Ogechi is a very big shame to you. You denied your father. Now you are coming out to say that your father died on COVID-19. Because remember COVID-19 area, Doctor Timothy, COVID-19 area. The man named with BP. And BP cared very, very bad. Compile with let me not use the words I go because now I will plan on Nigeria. On Nigeria, they will start up something for him, which he's been planning on our plan to go maybe this year or next year with the wife. Share, you Hana report to this. Hana report to the program. Share. Hana report to this program. Share. The man loves Ogechi so much that we at the spot we begin to doubt all of Chika, all of the woman, the woman you were there. So on our hotel, on our PNA menu, he hurts the man so much. So Ogechi, that Timothy is not your father, and you are not a member of Okeke's family. Even Kedugidi Unimo State, will bury your mother because not Tragini Menete, Kinumunegi. Your brother, Bruno Shaba, Boye Bogarochina, what back? Again, Chere. I'm pretty before that has no in fabricated. Oh, yeah, one Ogechi, does me. Oh, yeah, boys, me. One Ogechi, does me. For Ogechi, one day Ogechi, they get Jesu he na World Bank begini agba one Ogechi ka nchi gba etu eso gba one Ogechi na ka ga hate gba one Ogechi because Ogechi bụ ekwensu afra anya share the video na ha na report so stop deceiving people please. So thank you very much for helping, but I would like you to go to touch them. Mrs. Chika, Okeke, if possible. Chika, but stepmother. Munye the man in Cable. She changed her number last 2 weeks. Oh. Because of the threats on the winter. You have to go from Ogechi them side. So you see from that address of the church, when from one of the elders in the church, when the woman, they cannot be able to talk with her. But do not bring her on social media, please.
No, I won't. Anything I'm discussing with her will be private. I just want people to support that GoFundMe for her. That's what I'm saying. That she will have advised her followers to use that GoFundMe to raise money for the father. But because she hates the father, that's why she decided to make the money. She made it on her video that no, she knows what she's doing. That never opportunity to know GMA kilo. She said it yesterday. The last video she did. That never opportunity to know GMA. Now you miss the fundraising till December. You can imagine.
Okay, I'm even worked Dr. Timothy. And they open and Ogechi Okeke pants and the boots, bushy boots, but now wear in public. Now rest in peace. What does that show? You guys, the show, I don't know why people are so mad. People are so crazy. People have no conscience. People have no conscience. It's very bad. Let me just allow you guys, okay? Thanks for the good work.
Nyama na live video on a like ka o tie people ma ka ndị consola onwere onye na-etinye phone ma bụ my weapon, phone ma bụ my second wife. After my wife I married this phone. I can never stay in this life without data. Chey, in this life I try and buy data and also buy hard drive. Makechi, buy hard drive. I know what I'm saying. Buy hard drive, buy high drive. I'm going to 1 terabyte. You got it. But some people against you get with this evidence. Slot when a phone, okay, making a with everything. Any ministry na about Ogechi, criminal Ogechi Okeke Njaka, they may at their own guinea risk can go see Mama Ogechi. That will be discussed tomorrow. Nkage discuss it again tomorrow. And my mommy, I can mommy na your family. Mama, gida ka mommy, my mommy, I can na your family. You can assume can say with all these things. My mommy, I can ni mendoge. Nya, if she's a mommy, I can even do my boss. If she's a mommy, say I can do them a neighbor here. But my mommy, I can. When you're some match on back at abu, munye. Your stepmother bu Chika Okeke. Chika Okeke ka match on back at we put it here na live broadcast or live ni. Na Mama Ogechi eba. Ka Mama Ogechi eba. Ema no ya ka bahara nka. Oyibeze ka akwa ndenne. Oya ka banka, oyibe akwa ndenne. Oya ka banka, oyibe akwa ndenne. Onye efreketa ka ndị osu menye banishiri. A banishie. Yana mama yana ụmụ ya chụsịsịa ha n'ụlọ Ogechi ọ bụ gịnị
Dr. Timothy C. Okeke. Yes, some of the things she said, this is the first time of calling on this platform. She has never married after having all of you useless bastard. She's not.
Na gente.
When we talk about marriage, man, no honorable. They married legally, man. I'm a proud one. Then I'm not taking some. Not that I'm not taking one. If I social media, I'm about to. I want the information I got put here. No. Okay, Manu. Okay, Manu, I could drag you off. Okay, Manu, one in Canada. Also, I get it. Oh, yeah. Relax. But that one, imagine my mother that can expire property. Different channels.
Wait. Ogwa adịghị bụ ọ na-eto na ịsatọ ma ọ bụrụ awa prọfet Ebuka Obi ọ sị gị ogwa adịghị bụ ọ na-eto na 4 na 8 Ogechi mụsịsịrị ụmụ different fathers onye na-akpọ mmadụ ashawo mma egosi unu ebe oyi akwa stripper na club ọgwụ onye na-akpọ mmadụ ashawo mma egosi na ebe Ogechi ikpu Njaka ya akwa stripper kwụrụ na ihu klọb na-ajagasị anya Ogechi 1 by 1 ịchọkasa ga-abịa na 2030 adị m ready onwe ihe nna arụ aka siri m ike ya onwe ihe nna eme na aka siri m ike ịghọtara so ịchọ ka obi 2030 ọgụgụ ada emechaa aka ya ewepụtara unu vidio ebe Ogechi na mpe na anụ ọgụ ebe ọ nọsara mpe ọgụ everything there agwara m na I will not be going live mana Ogechi baa na live kpọọ m afa I will go live Ogechi baa live mee gịnị kpọọ m afa I will go live jụọ na Ogechi kee father of ụmụ ndị ọmụrụ different fathers ọra onye Kotonu ra Ogechi ọtụbara ya ime onye Zambia ara ya ọtụba ime onye Burkina Faso ara ya ọtụba ime different fathers. That is why oji mụcha nwa different spam awecha gị n'ahụ ezi ị na-ewetere m ọnụ Tell you about it here.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Show me your friends. I will tell you whom you are. Okay, look at your friends, Jacobs. Look at voice notes. Okay. Killed her father-in-law. And make sure my picture is on the voice note. Make sure you bring the picture where I killed. And let me repeat again. Check it over the voice note. Starting at Chicago. If you can check it. Here we will stop you. Upload Calosia. And I'm checking. In Nigeria, he get one more complaint. I'm not when I go to what that's on the I see any man girl. I didn't pass it again. I'm going to go say the marker. I'm going to bedu. She dance. And I'm going to put that. Put on it and she dance. Here, take it for my phone. That's it. You get the coconut bomb. What about that play out? You play, yes, it's 2019. People take it here. I mean, talk. If you don't let that voice go to the thunder strike you. Goodbye.
Everyone watch you go home now. Who that was Nambiko?
So many people who at them they start contributing, giving and other, you know. So the man suffered a lot, and may his soul rest in peace.
Yo.
Amen.
I don't block him already.
Yeah. If you can go and find out. You can go and find out. Yeah, you can go and find out. Because the Ogechi's father's story and the mother, everybody that is grown in Osumeyin knows it.
Wow.
Because the man is well-known man. Yes. He came out from family that people knows in Osumeyin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you.
I don't block him.
Bye. God bless you. Bye. Oh.
You too.
Bye. Oh.
Oh, but different colors.
The only thing you could do is to come out and waste money. You and your followers. I give you people 6 months. The spirit of the dead will judge all of you.
Amen.
That is coming out to raise $1 for this man. You people cannot go free for it. This is to show how wicked and heartless you are. Could you imagine this? How wicked and heartless you are, you and your stupid followers. I don't know the people that is following you. I don't know the kind of brain they have. After seeing all these things, this is not all about saga. This is not saga. what these platforms are preaching is the gospel. The gospel, that is what they are preaching. Without you people, without all this platform, without chief pilots, palace of justice, without you people,
yeah, I'm going to expose 2021.
Our brothers and sisters useless. At least it's because of you people donate stopped. It's because of you people, American, where people are working and earn a lot of money. For over 5-6 years, Ogechi has been in America. Ogechi is not working. It's through the hand of you people that made Ogechi to go and look for a job this year, January.
Hey!
Because she has not been working. Only bringing people from village, sending Emeka or whatsoever, going to village and be bringing the poor people and be using them to enrich herself. She's not working. She has not been working for 5-6 years. Since she has been in America, Ogechi has not been working. Apart from this one, she started this year. She started this year now. She's working 99 hours.
Hey!
I don't know how many hours we have in a day. Could you imagine that? With the help of you people, Ogechi have stopped nakeding our men and women nakedness.
Nana, in the sense
of checking how their dick, sizes of their dick is. In the sense of checking how the buttons of our women is. In the sense of looking the size of their breasts. All these things have evidences. Have evidence. How can you people, the followers, how can you people be saying that this is saga? What is saga? What are you people calling saga?
yes.
Ogechi is blaming that she's doing hookup. Ogechi have been doing hookup for days. Please, can Ogechi call 1 or 2 persons that have hooked up and get married and got married through her hookup? Just mention 1 or 2 persons that have gotten married through her hookup. Let Ogechi Okeke Njaka mention 1 or 2 persons out. Those people that is supporting Ogechi Okeke Njaka through the hookup is mainly those she's holding their notes.
Yes.
That don't want to speak out the truth, because if you speak out the truth, she'll share your notes. She'll bring out your notes. Those are the people still supporting her because she has their notes. That is just the truth. That is just the truth. With the help of these people, with the help of chief pilots, palace of justice, Onyobodo, Ogechi has no power on social media again. No power on social media again. Ogechi is a 419. Read the word listing. Ogechi is nothing but a criminal. She said it by herself. She opened her mouth and said it by herself that she's a hard-down criminal. That's what she said. That if you pursue her from coming out to social media to make money, then what will she feed from? She said it. And that is truth.
I want to support Ndoka. Chupu the Ogechi na ministry. Shuon the Ogechi up better than a ministry. Ogechi bukanka warm.
I pity the family you came out from. Which is it Njaka or what? I pity the family the young man came out from. I pity it because them themselves, they know the truth.
Yeah.
Them themselves knows the truth because you cannot tell me that a full-grown man like Ugochukwu is doing all these things with his clear eyes. I can't believe that. I can't believe that Ugochukwu is doing all these things with his clear eye. If he's doing it with his clear eye, know that he has a plan.
Yes.
Just exactly what the last caller, the woman that called you before, said. Go and market one place. Once Ugochukwu
Because there is no man with his clear eye. There is no man with his clear eye that can associate himself to this heartless and useless woman. This bastard. Because Ogechi is a bastard. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a bastard. She's a bastard. She's a useless lady, just the way her mother is. Her mother is useless. Because if the mother is a good woman, the man would have married the woman.
Yes.
I don't know if you are hearing me.
Yes,
if Ogechi's mother is a good woman, a man will get married to that woman. The story of Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a lesson to our men, those that have not gotten married. Everybody, every young man must be very, very careful. The earlier death of this man, Ogechi's father, is the cause of the mother. It is the cause of the mother. Because Akwa na-amụ ife tọrọ n'ogologo. Akwa na-ahapụ akwa ọjemụ ewu ọjemụ efe ọzọ. The footstep of the mother is what Ogechi is following. And if Ugochukwu did not take time, his own will be more worse than Ogechi. Let him listen to this. To me, I believe that young man has a very serious plan. Because it's the woman that went and married him. It's not him that married Ogechi Okeke Njaka. It's Ogechi that went and married Ugochukwu.
Wait, don't pause. Get your former. Achọrọ m share video. Ogechi alụghị alụ. Ogechi jeje lụọ nwoke. That dog baby nọ na be also not dear. That man with a serious plan because no Ogechi kpọgotere that man in America through the egoist na stripper. Because Ogechi na run America bụ stripper club ka ọ na-agba ọtọ. Ogechi wete this ayona na itogologo like this stainless. Ogechi yiri pants rigoro there na-eme ike ntụ nwangam hancha bụ na akpọ aha Jesus amen aha Jesus I talk to the egwu ha ozugbo a na-ekpe ekpere Ogechi amapụta ozugbo na-ekpere chimere tablet a na-amụ aka ekpe na nka rekato seterebe Ogechi na-ekwu amen. Ogechi kpere ekpere tata so Ogechi nwa sobe any ministry na-ekpe ekpere o nwere ihe ọ na-ede. Imagine Ogechi isi Jpac I'm sorry. Ihe eji wee kweta isi Jpac sorry because ọnụ ga-afọ ego na a ga-enye gị ego a ga-enye gị 10 million. Ogechi arọchi ọzọ okay biko na nwanne Jpac ọ bụ na etu anụ nwa Jpac I'm sorry na-echezi ka m kwuo I'm sorry ka ị nara ego ihe eri ego arịwa ọnụ ị naghị eji ntị anụ ego ọ ga no collect any money. I know they collect any money for apology. If I collect any money for apology, what happened to the life of Nde Narani? What happened to the business people you want to bring down? So that means I will collect money and betray thousands of people trusting on me. But Ogechi want to collect money to stop, to beg me. Then I demanded that now before me go tell that you're sorry, you must come to social media, tell them sorry too. So that those people, there's a lot of people that bought your lie, cheap lie. History. You have to come online too. No problem. Telling me sorry, it's not the problem. But I'm sorry na secret. Come outside. Kwa baby oku na ihe abi iwe ka iji wee kwue. Na this ihe na-ekwu bụ out of iwe ka iji kwue. Call Akwa Ọkụkọ na ihe na-ekwu maka hotel Akwa, they are all lies. No iwe ka iji wee kwue. But see man, ihe na-ekwu bụ iwe ka iji wee kwue. Then let the sleeping dog lies. Ọ bụ na email like that you daddy. Ọ bụ na Ogechi eme etu ansu wee kwu. I ga-agbagide war until Ogechi anwụọ na America ebelata. Because Ogechi ga-ebu m ụzọ nwụ. Ọgbara ga-eji ya anwụ Ogechi ga-ebu ụzọ anwụ because na ihe na-ekwu bụ arụrụ ala niile na-ekwu bụ Ogechi the guilty of everything. You lied against him, man. You lied against Baby Oku. You lied against Obereda. You lied against Akwa Ọkụkọ. Everything lie. The small followers in the follow Kitabu ndị na-amara gị as 5 years ago. The small followers they follow Ogechi Kitabu, people that does not know Ogechi, criminal Ogechi Njaka as at last 5 years. Somebody na-ere ọtọ mwanyị on social media. Somebody na-ere ọtọ mwanyị. People that are following you now, thank God you are streaming this thing live. This is my live video. Need a stream where Ogechi, only me will dismantle you. I don't need any color. I need him. It has only my evidence. Dismantle Ogechi, I will bring money. Bring your current. This is na network. Attract our call. You engaged your followers with lies. Those small followers, people seeing this 1.3 million followers. I see she bought this Facebook from someone else. Follow Ogechi akara eru 100,000. Follow Ogechi eru 100,000. Iye nakatabu follow borrowed and they bought followers. Enwere saga material or the ade. I don't know fake testimony because Ogechi is good in calling people for fake testimony. People calling on your program but they borrow Jpac answer. Jpac be pencil. Let him come and swear. I will swear with anything you imagine. I see you. I will swear with whatever you want me to swear. But if you want me to swear, you must be present. Because I go and make you want to more ebubo. You want to look at when Jpac on. Onye alụ nega alụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka. They don't pay your mama bride price. Oh, the case alụ one and Igbo. Mama gi alụ here alụ emeghe ego or commit ya atrocity with you. Ewe were as Zaragi na mage zapuru na Osumeyi. Never you to come back to Osumeyi. Etiri mbu ụmụada apụtara kwetiri that na gị nwa bụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka na nne gị na family gị na ha need unu. Amara ebe atụtara ime gị ije kwuru ebe atụtara ime gị ka ọ bụrụ your father. I will chụpụ gị na Osumeyi. Do you know your father's house as you claim? That man in the Kuno, you denied her. Sorry, you denied him. In 2019, 2017, you denied that man over on Pagi. The man in Jpac rest in peace. Is the same man. You set allegation for Papa J prison. Why did you take your father to prison? Kango Suno court case. Oh, Ojeka who do we have here?
Jpac.
One new Konyano.
Keke me.
The mama.
Ịma ndị Igbo si na anụ gbaa aja ọsọ agba ya aja egbe.
Ana ga-agbajikọdo anụ agbatabe ọnụ n'ala.
Kịta ga-ebịa na the real exposition of the criminal Ogechi Okeke Njaka. And now, systematically, you are now showing the world how wicked the criminal Ogechi Okeke Njaka is.
One person can, about 5 callers cannot be saying lie now. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a stripper in America. Or Obagashawo in America is a stripper club. So nothing to Onyama Ogechi be a criminal.
Now, somebody is wicked to her father to that extent. Even that she cannot love anybody because you cannot give what you don't have. You cannot give what you don't have. If she
Yes.
cannot love her father, she cannot love anybody.
Yes.
Now, Kambwali Elugo Okwu, because I say na Ogechi na mamia na papia no mamia no. People will think no na the realm of saga, but all real.
Real.
I will explain to you with evidence now. They did the marriage of Ogechi Nebu. And Ebu was the maternal home of Edith.
Ebu. Mama Ogechi bụ onye Ebu. Because I need anything mo ezigbo afa ha na-aza na Ebu nyaze. Kedu afa ya Mama Ogechi ka afa ha na-aza na Ebu ke community. Can you give me the information of the community in Ebu?
Just you get everything, both the name, both the house, the picture of the house, everything.
Please, I need it on my WhatsApp after this call.
You get everything. Now,
Mama Ogechi Nebu, everything about them Nebu, please.
Now, Iman you could that na Dr. Timothy Anore did. I want to prove the word that what you are saying is true. Akwa Ogechi Okeke Njaka Nebu. And after Mamia Edith Ejiogu.
Edith
Ejiogu.
Okay, the family band be Ejiogu. Ejiogu na Ebu Abi.
God bless you. Yes. Now, there is no assume any person that came there. Because never say one who Ogechi na assume not in Ebu. Am I right or wrong?
You are right.
Now, what does that simply means na culture Igbo? It means that na Timothy and
simple.
And Igbo culture, oye, adeketa nwa. Oye, adeketa nwa. Unless you pay dowry for the woman, and the child. So Ogechi bụ nwa amụ na akwamiko. Nwa amụta na akwamiko. That simply shows why no one of that love for the father. Now, can difference the father and the mother? Because of those issues, the man don't want to marry Edith.
Yes.
Because Edith, boy akwamiko, they claim no deacon na Assemblies of God's Church. KK deacon in the 90s, when holiness in them, Assemblies of God, they spell people no.
Yes.
In the 90s, holy of holies. A deacon will sneak in to go and sleep with Dr. Timothy. Oh God, Dr. Timothy, they are teaching practice in Ebu girls. Now Ebu girls all teaching practice. Edith Alaba, Kojala, Dr. Timothy. Olan kids is a one accidental discharge. Olan cable one accidental discharge. Until I mutter this vagabond, the criminal Ogechi Okeke Njaka, that is putting disgrace on this family. Dr. Timothy will say no. Because of Nebu 1 year okay, Diobala Timothy, or Bron Diobalia, because so yeah, they can one. Also, okay, let me bring these people to America so that they will have good life. Now, Kahabia is America, because on that time, Jena, Akwa Timothy, Jena, this thing Timothy biography, you will never see anywhere he wrote that he married Edith. You will never see anywhere they say Timothy divorced. Timothy never divorced. He married this wife. Timothy never divorced, so he never married Edith. And that will explain why she is very promiscuous. Where be America, bully a stripper, because her mother, before she went to this vegetable state on now, introduced her to stripping in nightclub to earn. Edith is the chairperson and chair lady of Ashawo Association because she got married out of wedlock. When I was was, and Ogechi took before her mother. That is why 3 men or more.
3 men.
3 men or more. He never had any issue for this Ugochukwu. She tried IVF and failed because she insulted that same process IVF. That is why IVF never favored her and she failed.
Wait,
so, no, she have never taken in for the man. Spam na for this man near spam. Then where a giant snake inside her belly that is swallowing that spam. If you go, all I made you feel every time or they're restless. You understand? Now, in the criminal Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Imanisi na Ogechi Okeke Njaka killed her father. Ogechi is a serial killer. A serial killer. She said with her mouth, Nkechi Benko, you know I killed your father too. So if you simplify that statement, you know she has always been a killer. What she said with her own mouth, Nkechi Benko, you know I killed your father too. So she has been killing people. Now, in her own mouth, she admitted of killing Mr. Obi, which that one is still subject of court. It's still subject of court. The court will determine that. In a court, the court will determine that. So Ogechi has been a serial killer. She killed people just for money. So, let me tell you, that 10 million is a tool to lure you. That thing can never happen. Onye may call us one big man, but part of her criminal syndicates. Believe me or not, if you does not understand the weight of and the network of these syndicates, if you does not understand the weight and network of these syndicates, you will be playing. That the bad, the evil. How do you think they harvest women's nude? How do you think they do that? Is their network of syndicates. That is what they use to harvest women nude. They will put you, they will use another means and get to you. They will use another means to get to you. These are criminals. I have been shouting. This body of Christ, this Zion ministry, our prophets have to act fast. He should not rely on advisors. Remember, his coordinator or former coordinator in Mozambique is masturbating with Ogechi Okeke Njaka online. Hey! Admitting in all their evil. It's high time the spiritual director disassociate himself from this bunch of criminals. This is a huge criminal gang. Very, very sophisticated criminal group that specialized in blackmailing, in maiming, and in killing of people. Do you see the way Ogechi is just a front person because she felt that she's just fronting Ogechi. And I want to give you an example. Anything Ogechi Okeke Njaka touches, that's a natural death. And once I give you an example, any example I make, the person should just make a U-turn and see the turnaround. Ogechi got herself involved with Zolo. Do you know that the time they started Zolo Bitters, Ogechi was not visible. The drink was moving. When
Yes.
Zolobitas was later linked to the criminal Ogechi Okeke Njaka, it begins to die in natural deaths. These things I'm telling you are verified information. We work with data. We work with data. Ogechi Okeke Njaka openly associated herself with Akwa Ọkụkọ. That was the beginning of that brand. People will entrust Akwa Ọkụkọ $300,000 to buy house for them in America. $500,000 to buy house in America for them. But once Ogechi Okeke Njaka came into the picture, the trust ran away. People stopped believing the young man because of what? The criminal has involved in that project. Almighty Akwa Ọkụkọ will now come to Aguleri. Come and buy land in Aguleri. 10 minutes out of airport. Very close to the road. How much is he selling that land? 500,000 naira. To compare $300,000. How the mighty has fallen. Why? Because of branding. That is why people don't associate themselves with the criminal. I told you that 1.2 million page, she bought that page from Maria Udenwachukwu. Maria is just a business person that sells page. If you want, you will go and you will buy it. Whenever she's doing program and you see 500, 600, 700, she paid Facebook for the view. If you want to know what I'm saying, the comment section will not be corresponding to the number of people that is watching. You cannot have 1,000 views and be having less than 500 comments. It's not possible. It's not possible. It can never be possible. So I am telling you about this criminal. People should be very, 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 very careful. Jpac, you are not the first and you will not be the last. As long as people want to test, you cannot be with Ogechi Okeke Njaka and not come back to disgrace. It's not possible. The day it will happen to Akusayon, I will be here to tell Akusayon, I will console you, but I told you. You are a brother, but I told you. I told you, but you didn't listen. Anybody associating themselves, I don't care who that person is. I don't care if you have all the Holy Ghost in you, the criminal will drain it. Darkness and light have nothing in common. Akusayon, you have to turn yourself, you have to follow the Christ that gave you money. You say God gave you money within 6 months and made you a billionaire. What is a billionaire doing with a criminal? I'm telling you as a friend, forget social media, forget. You are working with, I said, the lifespan of a criminal is no more than 10 years. So from the situation of things, the criminal is almost gone. She is almost gone. Take it from me, she is almost gone. By that principle of the lifespan of a criminal is no more than 10 years, she is almost gone. There is no miracle that can stop it. There is no miracle that can stop it. The lifespan of a criminal is not more than 10 years. And she have done this thing getting to 10 years. You know, when you touch Zion people, they will tell you that Jesus came for the sinners. Yes, everybody should come as they are. But you have to know why is that the Spirit of God not transforming in the life and behavior of this particular criminal and her syndicates, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. That's when you will know that this woman is condemned already, like that criminal on the cross of Calvary. You see the criminal that Jesus condemned under the cross, the queen pin is almost condemned. So Jpac, this your exposition now is the ultimate, because Ogechi Okeke Njaka don't need soft hand. She doesn't need that. What you are seeing now is that she wants to consolidate on your name and build followers, new followers,
Yes.
because all the old ones have discarded her. Why did they discard her? Because of her fraudulent activities on social media. The way she used NGO to insult our people, the way she used NGO to kill our people, that is why people ran away from her. You cannot learn anything from Ogechi. If you go with, you will even lose your table manners, as simple as table manners. No decorum. Okay, now if God is blessing Ogechi, Ogechi has been in America for more than a decade. More than a decade. The way she behaves when she's over, is still the same. Nothing have changed. Nothing have changed. The only language she listen is money, blackmail, get money, blackmail, get money. She don't know how to go and study and improve herself and make herself important for, okay, ask yourself, Jpac, 1.2 million page. Why are brands running away from her? No even come on birthday shout out. Birthday shout out, she know they do. Birthday shout out, 1.2, birthday shout out, she know they do. We are dealing with a criminal. And I thank God that your eyes are open. You are taking the bull by the horn, and God will surely vindicate you. Jpac, come on again, man.
I want you to, intelligent caller. Thank you very much, intelligent caller. Yeah, that one guy, Operation Decongest, okay. And my watch, okay, you know, that, on a place, on a place, this live broadcast, on my other phone, or they post, or they stream was the, or they stream was the live broadcast here. Hey, Jerry. Or they stream was the live broadcast there. Unlike before. Or they stream was the live broadcast. Because that live broadcast was so real. On one stream, when this our live broadcast, who lose the other fast. Or they stream was there. Hey! Crocodile tears. Then they were the Jpac on. The stripper a club. Stripper. Stripper a club. Ogechi. Hey, because the Akwa ya be nde tobara gi ime. Tobara gi ime na ato. Not one, not two, not three. A different man. All right, guys. I will engage you guys in shortly. I'm engage in a Jpac comedy. How does it finish? Finish. I didn't finish. I didn't with facts and figure. Facts. Facts and get it and figure. Get a picture about our marshal. I'm talking the picture about our marshal. I tell you one naira, kobo. I tell you one kobo. Is it? Let me get in the picture. Let me. I also want to know. Mama, can America or no? Mama, can America or no? Or no? Where? I also want to know. Here's the picture about Bagachawo. A shower 1 naira na America. I'll get in the okay. What's my second line? Criminal Ogechi Njaka. I have nothing to say again. Hey, Diogo. Mame on a village called America. I want to know, Mame on a village called America. I'm actually dismantling Ogechi one by one. I don't me here. fake call. For people, corrugate here, people, corrugate here lie. You corrugate here lie. Bob, no, I don't do that.